Use insider words. You need to know what cap rate is, value add, repossession, those insider terms, maybe know how to analyze deals a little bit. These are all things you can learn in a weekend. Now, you might be asking the question, okay, this is great. What if I don't have a track record? I understand all this raising capital, but my biggest concern is I don't have track record. And so how can I be taken seriously by brokers and certainly investors? And that's a valid concern that you can, in fact, go into apartment buildings without a track record. And you might be wondering, well, how is that possible? The reason it's possible is because of your team. As you get into this investing thing, you're going to get some education. You don't need a lot of it, but you need to use insider words. You need to know what cap rate is, value add, repossession, those insider terms, maybe know how to analyze deals a little bit. These are all things you can learn in a weekend or just a little bit more, but then there's your team, okay? Imagine bringing onto your team an experienced property manager, a lender, right? Maybe a CC attorney or whatever, or maybe an experienced advisor or mentor around you. You start assembling these teams. And so now when a broker asks you about your track record, you talk about the collective track record of your team. Oh, I have Sam, he manages 3,000 units in Huntsville. Oh, I have Bob over here who's underwritten $1 billion of loans. Now you're talking about your team and you're no longer talking about yourself. And this is really how you can very quickly, surprisingly so, be taken seriously by others without actually having your own track record. This business is really all about joint ventures and leveraging the team. And this is an example of how you can do that. And it requires a lot of a shift in thinking, because back in the house flipping days or my restaurant days, it was all me, right? There was no joint venturing. How do I partner to gain leverage? There's nothing like that. This is all about that. It's a book called Who Not How by Dan Sullivan. Who Not How is so true in the syndication world because it's all about bringing on the right team members at the right time to help you achieve things that you could not achieve on your own. So hopefully you found that inspiring here. Get out there, build a team. Let's do a deal.